Alright, so now we are at the Foreign Languages Bookstore, Shanghai Foreign Languages Bookstore, one of the famous bookstores that sell books in English language and different languages basically, located in on 390 Fuzhou Road. Okay, so let's discover what's inside. Alright, we're going to go inside. Alright, here we go. So as you can see, the books are in English. Oh, cool. This is what I've been looking for, this section. So we need, these are travel books, and I need Argentina. Yay, here we go. Found it finally. Because we're planning to go to Argentina next month, and this is what we need. Okay, so as you can see, you can literally find any country in the travel section, and this is Lonely Planet books. Okay, and I didn't even look at the price, but anyway, I'm going to buy it. 250 yuan, a little bit pricey. It's close to $40 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, here we go. Books about China. Found it.
Look at the story.
All right, so let's go to the other side. Okay. And these are for learning Chinese. Yeah, learning Mandarin. And also Chinese history and culture. This is learning Chinese in German, so very interesting. So apparently you can find Chinese learning books in different languages as well. Okay, you can go. And cooking books, Chinese cuisine basically. Bruce Lee, Tai Chi books. Mandarin, phrase books, business Chinese. So if you come to Shanghai, you should definitely visit this place. You can find literally anything, any kind of book in any topic, and I really like this place. So okay, I'm going to go upstairs and let's see what they have upstairs. Before that, let's take a look here. Look at here. All right, here we go. Very good book. All right, so let's go upstairs. Second floor. All right, let's see what they have. Here we got Italian, German, French, Spanish, Italian. So if you're looking for books in these languages, you have to come to the second floor of this bookstore, and on the right side you can see dictionaries. Yeah, hundreds of them, thousands. Here we go. Oh, we need this actually, since we're going to Argentina. Let's see if they have Latin American Spanish. Korean, Japanese, A-levels. Here we go, A-level books. Okay, if you're preparing for A-levels, you can purchase them here, all the textbooks, and IGCSE, CSE books as well, IELTS. This was standardized exam. IELTS, TOEFL. Imported English textbooks. College English textbooks. Let's see. Okay. Well, these are really hard to find. MCAT, if you're preparing for med school, for example. Let's see if they have LSAT books to prepare for law school. Yeah, so it seems like you can find any kind of book here, basically. All right, let's go to the third floor, SAT books. So this is the map. First floor, Shanghai Foreign Language Bookstore, and the second is BT Art Space and Animate. All right. So basically on this floor, most of the books are on art. There we go. Disney A to Z official encyclopedia. Okay, sculpture, oil painting. And finally, fourth floor, and the anime books. Okay. So on this floor, as you can see, mostly anime books and plus kids books. Yeah, children's books. Counting, Brain Quest series. So if you need books for your kids, you have to come to this bookstore and go to the floor 4, okay? And you can find all sort of books here. In Chinese, in English, and Spanish, French, in other different languages. So let's go downstairs again. Alright, so this was Shanghai Foreign Languages Bookstore. Now heading back to the hotel. Right, so anyway, if you guys need any books in different languages in Shanghai, you can come to this bookstore and find what you need. Basically, I've seen the books, the ones you cannot find online, especially in English, of course. When you live in China, it's so hard to find books in your language. I mean, if you come from European countries, especially French, German, Spanish, all these languages can be found in this bookstore. And this street is touristic as well. So you can see a lot of cafes, souvenir shops, etc., etc. Chinese traditional arts gallery also next to this bookstore, and a lot of books about art. A very interesting street. When you come to Shanghai, make sure you visit this street. It's very close to the city center. Fuzhou Road. You can see there's a souvenir store in the corner, and people are lining to buy some barbecue here. Traditional Chinese barbecue. Anyway, let's find some place to have some coffee, and I'll see you guys there. Okay, I'm trying to find the cafe.